Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
I am Christy Piamonte,
Mm-hmm.
31 years old, single.
Okay, and then?
Yeah, and I am hardworking,
Mm-hmm.
honest, and I know my responsibility already because before I go in the other country to work there.
How many years in
2 years.
Qatar, right?
2 years, sir.
2 years, okay. How
Yes,
many
sir.
members in the house?
Four children, then 2 adults. My employer,
That means totally 6, right?
6 all.
Okay, how many helpers in the house? How many housemaids in the house?
2, sir.
2.
Yes.
Another is Indonesia or Filipina?
Filipina.
2 is Filipina. Okay, what is your main duties in the house?
The name of that is Cynthia from Bulacan, the Filipino.
No, I mean what is your main duties in the house? What is your main job in the house?
Ano po, master? I know, ironing, laundry, sometimes prepare the kids to go in the school.
Mm-hmm. No need to cook.
They have already a cook.
Apa marketing? No need.
No, sir. The
That means
employer.
your main duties is take care of the children.
Take care of children.
Okay, you need to send them go to
Tutor
school?
children also, sir.
Tutoring.
Yes.
Okay. When you send them go to school, they are naughty and run around in the street. How can you handle?
When I bring them in the school, I just saw it that no car. I just bring them inside the school. Then after that, they already be inside the school before I go.
Okay. If they are fighting in the house, what you will do?
Laundry, sir. Ironing, cleaning the house.
I mean the children, they are fighting in the house.
Fighting in the house. I just talk to them. Sometimes they are very not listening to me, but I try my best. I just when they are not listening to me, after that when my employer come in, I told my employer that they fight. Then he said that it's okay, Thursday, I want to talk to them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what time you wake up in the morning?
There 5 o'clock.
So early?
5 o'clock, sir, in the morning.
So early.
They have school, but if they don't have school, 5:30.
Mm-hmm. But okay, after wake up, what you will do?
What will you do? I prepare, sir, the breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Prepare the breakfast. Then after that, when they wake up already, because sir, in Qatar separate, sir, they don't open the doors if they don't wake up. Then after that, if they wake up already, before we work, sir. Before we work.
I see. Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
Something wrong in the house, I told my employer, like if I broken someone, things like the materials. I told my employer, sir, I'm sorry, I broke this one. Just I forgiveness, sir. I just ask them the forgiveness. I just said sorry for this.
Okay, you just back from Qatar, right?
Yes, sir.
Why you want to apply to Hong Kong, not the other country? Why Hong Kong?
I know, sir, you know Qatar, sir, is Middle East.
Yeah.
Before, sir, before I go in the Qatar, I try applying Taiwan.
Taiwan, yeah?
Yeah, Taiwan, sir, before then. After that, I have already an employer in Taiwan.
Oh, yeah.
Then the employer in Taiwan called me that my contract is already finished because my work is there is an elder, sir. He's died already.
Oh, I see.
Then after that,
So no need go to Taiwan.
no need to go no need to go in Taiwan. Then after that,
Go to Qatar, okay.
Go in Qatar.
How about the holiday in Qatar? Any day off per month?
No day off, sir.
No day off.
No, sir.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, if you hire me as your helper, I know my responsibility already because I know what I am doing.
Mm-hmm.
Then I assure you I am an honest, hardworking, especially honest person is the best. I know, sir, madam, that you want the people very honest. That's the one you want as a worker. I know I have that like that. Before my employer put anything jewelry in the up in the table, but I don't want to get that one. I want to bring back that in my employer.
Good.
You know, madam, sir, that's the best I want to give to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.